Cold start of the day. It's a cold start?
Ja, cold start. Never happy.
Brand new filter.
With extras today.
Look at that. Look at that.
I think
What are we doing?
We're gonna just turn the second gear shifting down a little bit, I think. It's getting a bit, it's just not perfect, we're not happy.
So we're going in there.
Oh, we gotta
Nice and clean.
no dirt in there today. We've got to roll it till we find the
correct screw.
there it is there. So then shift later, we want to go
Earlier.
maybe give that a shot.
It says right there what
Shift
to do.
Later, yeah. So later, higher RPMs, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah.
We can try that and see
Okay.
what happens.
Get the starter, boy.
Move it over there so I don't spray everything with dirt.
That's good.
That sounds better. It didn't sit down.
That's good.
Still second. Showing off for the kids.
Crack in the differential.
You know what that means.
New parts.
Oh, ordering right now.
Oh, shit happens. But it's working great. Hit the pole. Concrete pole, full speed. So it's not that bad from the impact. Pretty okay. My Slash is just overheating all the fucking time.
I can't stop playing this song, it makes me high. I hear myself singing, I'm feeling so alive. Let this go on forever, I don't wanna get off this ride. I can't stop playing this song, it makes me high. Stop. Stop playing this song, it makes me high.